And in fact, Mira Murati, who's the founder of Thinking Machines Lab, as she says, we're building multimodal AI that works with how you naturally interact with the world through the messy way we collaborate. That messy way gives way more data than a flat picture. Lionsgate Vice Chairman Michael Burns said, now we can say, do it in anime. And out comes an animated version of John Wick. Now, for a production company owning John Wick and Twilight and The Hunger Games, they're trying to put together an AI with Runway, and they're excited about what's happening. But poof, put the brakes on. The game's sort of over. We're now finding out it's really hard to make movies with AI. So what happened to Lionsgate and Runway's experiment with video? The Lionsgate catalog is too small to create a model, one source said. In fact, the Disney catalog is too small to create a model. I'm looking at this and saying, what's going wrong here? I mean, if we look at the Lionsgate catalog, I took a look at, they have 17,000 titles, 8,000 are movies. So let's just, for doing this sake, say 2 hours per movie, that's 16,000 hours, plus an hour for the other 9,000. That's 9,000 hours is maybe 25,000. 25,000 hours is too little. Let's double it to 50. Let's say my numbers are all off. Even 50 is wrong. Now, they didn't fail because they don't know what they're doing or they're just making things up. It's because scaling video in large language models is really, really hard. And everything in AI is like a one-year experiment to figure it out. And this simply, where we are now, didn't work out. And it shows that a single studio catalog can't give it enough data to train it. That actually says we need more video for AI training. And I found in an interview about Trovio, which is one of the best video AI licensing companies. Why? Because they're actually talking numbers, showing what they're doing, even if it's just early. One Trovio client claimed that they were in the market for 50,000 hours of dog videos. That's more probably than Lionsgate has, because the dogs that they were getting generated with their AI were coming out as cats, and there was a lot of money and a quick problem to solve. So the value of video to AI training isn't something I can write on a straight line and say, this is what you're going to get paid. I can tell you that Trovio's quoting $1 to $4 a minute, and that really is more like 80 cents to maybe $3.70, but we'll do $1 to $4 a minute. But it had me take a look at this space and go, Lionsgate has all this money and all this data, but it's not enough. These other companies are talking about it. Other companies are using video data. There's this huge move, and not many are talking about, could we supply AI data with video? And could we make a living out of it? And that's where I came to the idea that to do that, you're going to have to break the $4 a minute barrier. Yes, it can work at $1 to $2. We'll look at that. But the 4-minute thing is where this gets looking really, really good.